The ACCO Super Bulldozer is one of the largest bulldozers ever built in the world. This massive machine was built in Italy in 1980 by the Umberto ACCO company. The bulldozer weighs about 183 tons and stands nearly 7 meters tall. It is around 12 meters long and powered by 2 powerful engines. Originally designed for heavy mining and land clearing, this giant machine was never fully used in large projects. Today, the ACCO Super Bulldozer remains a legendary engineering masterpiece, a symbol of incredible power, size, and industrial history.
Look at that beast go, slow and steady. Yeah, it makes our pace feel like a crawl. That's the job, dust and all. Keep pace, watch the blade. Copy, dust is thick. Path looks clear ahead. The operator's pushing that pile back, we need to level it. Right, let's mark the spot so he can backfill. Good call, and watch for the trench edges. Understood, safety first. All right, let's check the dozer. Looks clear, I'll climb up. Good, check the hydraulics. Okay, heading up. Use both hands, be careful. Got it. Hey, watch the dozer, it's kicking up a ton of dust. Yeah, I see it, these gloves are loose. Tighten them now, you don't want that near the tracks. Got it, all set. Good, let's move. Hold up, I'm checking the scale. Scale reads 10 tons. Copy, we're good to go. Keep your eyes on the blade. Copy that, dust is getting thick. Let's set the tools down here. Roger, all clear. Good, let's move. All right, let's clear this area, keep your distance. Copy that, looks like a lot more work ahead. Team's on it, this whole sector needs grading by end of day. Understood, I'll radio the others. This dust is everywhere, we need to check the blade. Yeah, it's thick, let's go look. See, it's caked on. We gotta clean this. Looks bad, I'll grab the scraper. Good, let's get it done. The bulldozer's caked in dust. Go grab the water tank and hose it down. On it, be right back. Good. We need to keep this rig clean. Got it, starting now. All right, let's get this tank on the dozer. You got it, on 3. 1, 2, 3, it's heavy, push. All right, lock it down, done, she's secure. Let's check this for rust. A good clean will sort this out. Team, this ACCO Bulldozer's covered in dust. Get ready to clean it now. Ready, boss? All right, move out. Clean every inch. On it. Good work, keep at it. This hydraulic joint needs a deep clean to keep the dozer running. I'll scrape off the sand and grime. A clean joint prevents leaks and keeps the pressure steady. Hit it harder, that grime's tough. On it, moving to the left side. Good, keep the pressure steady. Almost done here, rinse it off. Looks clean, let's wrap up. All right, let's get this foam on. Copy that, starting on the right side. Left side covered, keep it steady. Good work, almost done here. Hit the rollers hard, they're caked. Copy that, flushing the grime. Good progress, keep the water moving. Last section clear, wrapping up. All right, hit the tracks first, then the underbelly. Copy that, pressure's good. This side is caked, keep it steady. Almost done, rinse it off. Team, this is it. The ACCO Super Bulldozer is ready. Affirmative, we've prepared for this. Let's move out and shape this desert. All right, let's get to work. All right, let's get this beast moving. Trigger engaged, just perform this bulldozer now. Looking good from up here. All right, team, let's get this bulldozer cleaned up. On it. This side panel is pretty dusty. I'll get the windows. Tracks are clear. Great work, team. Looks brand new. Blade first. On it. Looks good. Good work, team. Keep it steady. Get the caked mud off. Got it? This side is looking good. Water pressure is holding strong. Good. Let's rinse the tracks next. You got it. All right, hit it. Full blast. On it. Watch the mist. Hose is steady. Keep it moving. It's coming clean. Almost done. Perfect. Let's coil up and move. All right, team, let's blast this glass clean. On it. Hitting the left side hard. Got the right. This mud is stubborn. Rear engine's caked. Bring it off. Clear. Moving aside. Good work, team. Almost done. Let's blast this dirt off. I'm on the cab, targeting the windshield. Keep it steady. Foam it up. Coming up top. Side glass next. Rinse in the back. Look good. All right, team, let's get this glass dyed. You got it. This foam is working great. Yeah, it's coming off clean up here. Almost done. Keep it up. Great job, team. All right, team, let's make this piece shine. You got it, boss. Rinsing now. Top glass is getting there. Front's looking clear. Great work, everyone. Almost done. Trigger press, foam's expanding nicely on this section. Coverage is even, moving to the next spot. From up here, you can see the full scope of this ACCO Super Bulldozer. All right, let's get this bucket and the arms cleaned up. Right, these hydraulic arms are caked in dirt. I'll get the center, keep the pressure steady. Looking good, one more pass. All right, hit it harder on this side. Copy that, moving to the next link. This mud is caked on thick. Keep at it, almost clear. This rust is really caked on. Yeah, keep at it, we have to get it clean. Look out for the sand, it's getting everywhere. Almost done with this section. All right, starting to foam on this chain, got to get all the grit. Moving up the links, this stuff clings real good. Almost done here, this will protect it from the sand. All right, let's clean this upper section. Hand me the nozzle. Got it, here you go. Be careful up there. Spraying now, the dust is coming off. Looks good from down here, keep going. Let's hit the upper side before dust gets worse. Got it, I'll watch for spray drift. Spraying now, keep clear. Looks even, good coverage. I'll get the sprayer. Watch for the tracks. Starting the spray now. Come on, get this dust off. Yeah, that's it. Keep foaming. Almost there, looking good. Time to blast this dirt off. Yeah, look at that foam mountain grow. Watch the blade, it's kicking up a lot of dust. Copy that. I'll signal when to reverse. Base, dozer on approach, requesting water. On it, spraying now. Good effect, clear to proceed. This water is running off fast. Yeah, wipe it down good, almost done. Pressure's good, moving to the tracks. Copy, hitting the midsection now. On the blade, clearing it fast. Looks clean, ease off. All right, testing pressure now. Let's see how this cuts through. Yeah, that's the spot. Coming clean, real nice. All right, getting a good coat on this side. This foam really lifts the grime. Almost done with this section. All right, starting the foam application on the cab glass. Applying evenly to cut through the grime. That should do it. Let it sit before rinsing. All right, let's blast that dirt off. Let's get this bulldozer cleaned up. This foam is really cutting through the grime. Almost done with this section. Hit the tracks and undercarriage hard, boys. On it, boss. This foam is cutting you right through the grime. Yeah, this is working great. Good work, team. Let's rinse it down. Tracks are caked, hitting them now. Rear's filthy, spraying the ripper. Blade's next, coming in hot. All right, team, let's get this beast clean. Hit the blade first. Copy that. Spraying the tracks now. This side's caked in mud. Need more pressure. Got it. Rinsing the undercarriage. Looks good. Almost done. All right, team, let's blast this mud off. Full pressure. You got it, boss. Starting now. Watch our tracks. They're caked. Good work. Keep it steady. Rinse it down. Looks better already. All right, let's get this beast clean. Start from the bottom. Got it, spraying the tracks now. Looks good. Now let's hit the roof. Climbing up, spraying the roof. Almost done.
Software run music for software to keep the video calm and focused. Allow the drum music.
This chain's caked. Keep at it. Got it. This side's just as bad. Careful on the undercarriage. It's slick. Yeah, watch your footing in the sand. Rear's clear. Let's rinse this. Scrub harder on the back panel. Got it. Working on it. This side is almost clean. Good. Now help me with this corner. On my way down. All right, let's get this cleaned up. This side's pretty bad. Keep at it. Almost there. Keep scrubbing that track. Make sure it's clean. Got it. This side is looking better. Yeah, moving to the other side now. Good work. Keep it up. Start spraying the back. Get the dust down. Got it. Spraying now. Make sure you hit the tracks too. Yeah, we're on it.